Hello, welcome to another step, another part on my Blender archviz tutorial series. So this part will be an easy, as we see, an easy peasy. It's a very easy step. So as you see here, the time have some glitches. So if you have this problem in your file, you can fix it by changing the clip start. So I will return it to the default. So it's done. In this part I will do some organization stuff. So I will organize my assets, my collection, and so on. So to do this, I will first of all start naming stuff like this. Plane, it's called plane, so I will call it floor. So I will name it by clicking F2 into the keyboard, and I will name it floor. So for the walls also I will name it floor, name it walls, sorry. Also for the windows I will name this windows, name it window 1. Then this I will name it window 2, like this. Also for the doors I will make the same thing. Door, maybe I will name it door bathroom. Then I will make some other stuff like this. I will name this or select all these parts of the kitchen and made it in a new collection by clicking M in the keyboard and new collection and kitchen, like this. Maybe I can make an assets collection, select all these, bookshelf, and these and these and these, this and this, also this. Maybe these assets of the bathroom, the mirror, the door, and this, and move it to a new collection, call it assets, like this. So when I try to maybe hide something, I don't need to hide everything. So I need to hide just the assets. So I need to move this also to the assets, like this, assets. And the kitchen, same thing. Then I will make these doors with the handle in same collections, doors and windows collections. So try to work with collection in every project you work on to be so organized and to not having problem in future operations. So maybe for the wall, for this cloth cabinet, I will name it cloth cabinet, and maybe move it to the assets. For the floor I miss this, maybe I will call it door, then dash, then maybe bedroom. So it rests just the ceiling, so I need to name it also ceiling, and I will select ceiling, floor and walls and make it in a new collection, call it home elements, like this. So I can now hide one part, or I can hide a whole collection. So now I need to name something for in the assets. Here maybe I will name it book shelf. Also because I have two bookshelves in this scene, I will name it this one, and this I will name it bookshelf 2. Close in order to clothes cabinets. Also I have maybe 2, so I will name it this one, and this I will parent everything, so I will parent this to this by clicking Ctrl P and parent, and this to this, and parent this to this, this, and parent all these to object. So then I will name this object, maybe Ctrl Z, I will name this cloth cabinet 2, cloth cabinet 2. So if I try to move this, so now I parent this to this object, then name this cloth cabinet. So it's clear operation, so you can do it by yourself without watching this tutorial. I think Ctrl Z, I need to rename this glass panel, maybe I will specify it to bedroom, call it bedroom. Then I need to, maybe I will move this to a new collection, all this to a new collection, because it's specialized for the bathroom. So I will move it to new collection, bathroom, like this. So when I hide it, it will be hide only. So this I will call it table. So I have everything named now. Clothes cabinet for the kitchen, I have the kitchen, and for this I will door bedroom. So everything is clear now. I will verify if I miss something. Bathroom, home elements, doors and windows, house or home elements, like this. So I will maybe if I want to use it in animation, so be organized is better for your workflow. So always be organized, using the naming of all your parts to be organized in your project, especially when you work in professional, not personal project. So you need to be organized when you provide the file to the client. You need to make the file really organized, so if the client want to hide something or do anything else, it will be so helpful. So this is in this easy video. I hope you like it, and see you in another videos. Salam.